Every great engineering achievement begins with understanding the ground beneath it.
Winch, lower the array to 10 meters. Confirm depth reading in the cabin.
Watch the pressure gauge, it's spiking. Slow the descent, bring it up slightly. Core sample secured.
Look at the stratification here. This confirms the seismic data from the southern transect. And the moisture levels align with the deep sea readings.
The velocity profile is showing the expected shear near the surface.
Yes, the data looks clean despite the turbulence.
Look at the velocity analysis here. The imaging beneath the salt is much clearer.
Precision planning reduces risks long before excavation begins. The data confirms the optimal window for mobilization is still open. Agreed. The humidity levels are acceptable and the wind profile looks stable.
All right, bring it back easy now. Watch the edge. Yeah, we're clear on this side. Keep them moving.
According to the blueprint, the access road curves right here.
Yes, tell the grader to follow the stakes closely. We need to maintain the flow.
Alpha 2, you are clear to proceed to the loading zone. Bravo 4, hold your position. Over.
Keep coming down easy. Alignment check. Okay, all clear on the west side. Stop, hold it. Okay, set it. Everything checked out on the manifest. All right, move it up to the line.
Thousands of workers rely on temporary infrastructure before permanent infrastructure can exist.
Every tunnel begins long before the first meter is excavated.
Base, this is Rover 1. Final coordinates confirmed for the launch shaft. Over.
Over.
Excavation begins with carefully removing thousands of cubic meters of earth.
Control, this is Blast Team 1. Charges are set and secured. Mats are in place.
Every excavation is carefully inspected before construction moves deeper.
The pumps are holding steady. Keep that trench clear, we're almost done here.
Precision measurements ensure every future structure begins on a perfect foundation.
All right, Rig 1, you are clear to move south. Watch the trench line. Copy that. Moving into position now.
Well done, everyone. The shaft is complete and the rigs are ready. This is a huge step forward.
Deep foundations transfer enormous structural loads safely into stable bedrock.
Okay, measurements confirmed. We're within the required specs. Bring it up.
All right, slowly bring it up. Watch the clearance on the west side.
Hold it. We're slightly off plumb on the south side.
Okay, that's good now. Send it home.
Inspection complete. We have clearance for the pour. Thumbs up from down here. Send it.
Each foundation pile is engineered to support thousands of tons for generations.
The spacing on the mat is confirmed, boss. Roger that. Bring the next bundle in.
The measurement is exactly 1,400 millimeters.
Confirmed. We are clear for placement.
Every foundation is tested before supporting the immense weight above.
Tie that section off now. Crane coming in, heads up. Guide the load down, slow.
Okay, ease the pump pressure back just a little. Keep that vibrator moving continuously in the lift area. The curing seems consistent. What's the latest moisture level on this panel? Right at the target range, confirming the misting system is effective.
That looks good. Lock it in place. We need to move to the next section by noon.
This chamber will become the gateway to one of the world's most challenging underwater excavations. The scan data aligns perfectly with the schematics for the embedded hardware. Confirmed. The welds and waterproofing are secure. We're good to proceed with the TBM assembly.
The foundation is complete. Now the machine that will carve a path beneath 2 continents prepares to begin its journey.
Control, we are clear for descent. Lowering TBM now.
Roger. Confirmed descent to position 3.
Every mechanical system is tested before excavation begins beneath the sea.
Check this hairline fracture on the edge. Got it. Log in the coordinates now.
Each completed ring becomes the permanent structure supporting the tunnel.
With excavation progressing, permanent railway systems begin taking shape behind the machine.
Bring it left, easy now. Clear the damper on the right. Hold it there, we're good to set.
Safety systems are engineered to protect passengers under the most demanding conditions.
Control, this is team lead at 304. We have confirmed signal integrity on the new run. Looks good from here.
Alignment looks correct on the level. Confirmed via total station. Geometry is verified.
Tunnel systems online. All parameters nominal.
Heard that. We did it.
The ventilation systems are fully operational and within tolerance. Confirmed on the diagnostics readout. All green.
Excellent. We are cleared for final assembly.
Alignment confirmed on section 4. Roger that. Proceeding to the turnout.
Even steel rails must be engineered to expand and contract with changing temperatures.
All right, slowly now. Watch the clearance on the right side. Easy, easy. Keep it coming down. We're clear on this end. Keep lowering. Check the alignment on the lower section. Looks good from here. We have clearance on the left side.
Modern railways rely on thousands of interconnected systems working as one.
The brightness levels are stabilizing across the alignment, and the emergency circuits are holding steady. Looks good.
Control, interlocking systems stable. Requesting signal 47 green.
Green confirmed.
Confirmed clear approach for inspection train. Over.
Control, this is Tunnel Ops. Comm links are stable across all bands. Vibration metrics holding steady at 2% deviation.
Every component must function perfectly before the first passenger ever enters the tunnel. Ventilation systems are nominal. Check the power conduit readings. Readings confirmed stable. All overrides are cleared. Readings clear on sensor array 7. We are proceeding to the next section.
Look at the deviation here on the left side.
It's acceptable, but we should flag it for the next review stage.
Millimeter level accuracy ensures every future journey remains safe and comfortable.
signal aspect just changed to green. Interlocking successful.
Confirmed. The axle counter data is clear across the board. Copy that, proceeding with the test run.
Validation sequence complete. All systems green. Moving to platform.
Every passenger system is tested long before the railway opens to the public.
Vibration levels are stable at this speed.
Check the electrical grid synchronization.
The displacement readings are fluctuating more than expected here.
Yes, and the vibration threshold on the north side just spiked. We should check the sensor calibration.
Signal synchronization complete. Power levels stable on grid 5. Confirming drainage systems are automated.
The structural tolerances look good here. Electrical sign-off is complete. Safety reports confirm compliance. Platform control, this is train 401. Inspection is complete and verified. Ready for service. Electrical load steady. We are green across the board. Confirming stable signal synchronization.
Final alignment confirmed. Right on spec. Excellent work, team. The crossing is a success.
Years of engineering precision are confirmed through one final comprehensive inspection.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the edge there. Got it, setting it now.
This is a proud moment for Process Vision. We officially hand over the East Line platform for service. Thank you all for your dedication. Vibration and settlement are well within limits.
Signaling is stable. We are clear for final approach.
The tunnel infrastructure looks solid. Electrical systems are fully compliant. Excellent work, everyone. We are ready to approve the final walkthrough.
And this is how one of the world's greatest engineering projects is built. Q, from nothing into reality.